Howard County, southwestern Harnett County, northwestern Cumberland County, northern Hope County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rayford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rayford, Fort Bragg, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Olivia, Silver City, Pineview, Anderson Creek, and Timber Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hope, and more.